Work it.
Oh, fell off again. Staring at my ass.
I am indeed.
Very, very expensive.
Hopefully that stays on now.
It won't stay on.
It won't.
No, it's too cold and it's too wet and I want to go back outside.
But these cars are warm.
They are.
Do you know what that means, Dan?
It's time for another rev battle, I think.
It is.
Penny!
What's
lucky
happened?
Penny. Lucky Penny. Probably covered in COVID, but it's okay. My RX-7 won't blow up now, so I'm happy.
Who cares about the RX-7, Dan? We're here for
I care about
two.
the RX-7.
What RX-7 you got?
It's an FC.
Ooh.
It's a 1988. Yeah, it's very rare.
So who do you think is going to take the cake, Dan? Dan!
I found another penny.
Oh, you joking? So what do you reckon?
That's a difficult question. M4.
So I'm with you on that. I'm with you.
Gorgeous cover that.
So what's happening today, Dan?
Cold, but they're not. It's rev off round 2, baby. Let's go. We've got a C63 S in iridium silver, a BMW M4 Competition in Avis Blue, BMW individual. We're going to see which one sounds better. First, the C63. Now for the sports exhaust. Tight, yeah! So that wasn't bad from AMG. Let's see what M Division can bring to the table. Okay. So that wasn't bad. Now for loud mode.
Nice! Nice, guys!
I think we have a winner, Dan.
That was interesting. I know my ears hurt. Poor Vince is probably going to be deaf for a few days. But let us know in the comments below which one you think sounded the best.